Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Trello tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to delete a board in Trello. This is actually quite simple. And we start by opening Trello. And here I am in a workspace with two Trello boards. For this tutorial I want to delete the test board 2. To do this I first click into the board, go to the top right and click on the three dots. In this menu I go to the bottom and click on Close Board and confirm it again. I have now closed the board, but it is not yet deleted. Theoretically, I can reopen it here again if I want to, and I also have an option for permanently deleting the board. I consciously do not click on this now because I want to show you what you can do if you stop here and do not click on any of these options. Because if I open the workspace now again, I find an additional area for my closed boards here. So I click on View Closed Boards. And here I find my test board 2 with the same options. Now I click on Delete, confirm the deletion again, and now the Trello board is finally deleted. And with that we are done. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye!